Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be making curry. I'm going to be using this Japanese curry mix. This mix comes in medium, medium hot, and hot. Today we're going to be using medium hot. I do use 2 of them for my recipe, and I will show you step by step on how I'll make my curry. Okay, so for this recipe we're going to be using beef chunks. Or stew meat. You're going to need about 2 pounds. I normally pressure cook my meat before I do anything, but that's completely up to you. You don't have to pressure cook it. It does come out a lot more tender if you do. Okay, so we're going to start with our veggies. We are going to need half an onion cut in quarters, 2 or 3 carrots cut in pieces, two to 3 potatoes. Is completely up to you how many potatoes you want in there, whatever your heart desires. So I'm using 3. Okay, so now our meat is ready, so we're going to go ahead and get a pot, add a little bit of sesame seed oil. Okay. We're going to add our onion, our garlic, we're going to stir. We want to get those onions nice and golden, with a golden color. And after that, we're going to add our meat. Okay, so now we're going to add our meat. We're going to add curry powder. We're going to add a little bit of salt to taste and a little bit of pepper. And we're going to stir that up. So if you're not pressure cooking your meat, at this point you're going to stir your meat until it loses its color. But since we pressure cooked our meat, it's already cooked, I'm going to go ahead to the next step, which is throwing in the carrots and the potatoes. Carrots, potatoes. So we're going to stir that together. And for every box of these that you add, it takes 2.5 cups of water. So we're gonna add 5 cups of water. Okay, so this is how it looks after I added 5 cups of water. We're gonna put it on a medium high. We're gonna cover it until our potatoes and carrots cook. Okay, so now our veggies are all cooked. We're gonna add our Japanese curry mix into it. We're going to break it in chunks, like so. I'm going to grab another pack and do the same thing. And at this point, we want to go ahead and turn the heat into a low. And you're going to stir until the mix is completely dissolved. So once that's done, it's ready to serve. Normally I serve it over white rice and I make some dumplings. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe, like, and share. The full recipe, like always, is going to be in the description box below. And just let us know how it came out for you. La receta completa va a estar en la caja de descripción. Si tienen alguna pregunta nos dejan saber. Si les gusta nuestra receta, por favor dale like, share y suscríbanse a nuestro canal. Y muchas gracias por atender. Chao, bye.